Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to study about a new solid shape, that is sphere. You already learned about plane shapes such as square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. And two solid shapes such as cuboid and cube. Today I am going to teach you about sphere. Sphere. Look at this picture. This is the picture of a sphere. It is look like circle. It has curved surface. The surface is curved. And it has no edges or no corners. If you watch a sphere, you cannot see any edge or any corner. This is an example of sphere. You all are having balls now, so you can learn it easily. So what is the shape of your ball? It's sphere shape. Okay? And what are the notes you have to remember when you learn about a sphere? A sphere has, these are the notes you have to remember. A sphere has one curved surface. One curved surface. Okay? It has only one curved surface. You look here. This is sphere and it has only one curved surface. And the second point is it has no edge. Here in the case of cube, you can see edges. This is edge, this is another edge. You can see edges here in cube and cuboid. But here in sphere, there is no edges. Here is no edges. Clear? And the third point is it has no vertices. It has no vertices. See this cube. It has vertices. See, these are the vertices. But a sphere has no vertices. It has only one curved surface. Only one curved surface. No edges and no vertices. Clear? Now we are going to draw a sphere. Listen how I am drawing this sphere. Draw a sphere. See, take a object which has curved surface and draw a circle in this way. Draw a circle in this way. Then draw some lines like this. Now you can see a sphere. Okay? It has only curved surface. It has only curved surface. And now I am going to write some questions here on the board. You read the questions carefully and write the answer yourself. A sphere has dash curved surface. Second question is, it has dash vertices. Third question is, it has dash edges. Children, you all draw this sphere in your notebook and write the answer of these questions. Okay.